Today I'd like to do a quick review of the Y-3 Sport Approach Reflect. And the first thing, this is called a Reflect model. This is all prime knit. I believe the model prior to this, the Sport Approach, where this was all black, wasn't prime knit. That's what I think. Anyway, as in my prior videos, I go on about comfort with a stretchable upper and good cushioning via boost. The Sport Approach Reflect really has both covered. You have prime knit in here, and at this intersection right here, it becomes thicker and more padded. And this material goes all the way to the toe. Except at this stage, you have what looks to be a neoprene cap covering it. It's not terribly stretchy, and to be honest, I'm seriously considering cutting a little V here to increase for comfort, but I'll need to wear them a bit more to make that decision. So if you move your fingers all the way to the end, you see you have stretchability. Now it's limited by the outer neoprene cap, but to be honest, it's really comfortable. Not to the level of just prime knit, but very close. Other thing you see here are these holes, and these holes are for ventilation. Now, this is supposed to be a winter running shoe, at least in theory, so I'm not sure if this is going to allow water and or wind. It's summer right now, so it'll take a while before I find out, but the jury's still out on that. Despite that, the upper is pretty comfortable, with the caveat that, at least for me right now, this neoprene cap is a smidge too tight. Now, one thing, since I'm talking about the top, I bought these a half size down. These are a size US 9, and I'm a 9.5. I only bought them a size 9 because that was the only size available, because it was marked down, which, as usual, with Y-3, it's best to buy the stuff when it's marked down. Summer is a good time for that. This came with an insole, like all Ultra Boosts, but I have found that I had to take the insole out to make it more comfortable. So I would suggest going true to size with these shoes. As usual, you have laces here. Because you have the neoprene band here, and you have an elastic here, I don't even know if the shoelaces really serve any real function. The upper is stretchy, so it's at a half size down. It's a little tight when you're putting it on, but nothing too challenging, and I think with more use it'll stretch out. As far as the bottom, it's a modern Ultra Boost sole with Continental rubber, and as I've said before, that's my favorite cushioning in shoes right now, and I'm really pleased with it. Now, I've only walked in these for a few miles, and so if there's any interest, I can do a follow-up later. But so far, I'm really pleased, with the caveats being go true to size, which is almost shocking in a modern Adidas Boost sneaker. And while you have stretchability and everything, I'm not sure if this is going to be waterproof. I'll find out soon enough. And that's about it.